What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's going to really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm going to show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm going to be 100 with you, as they say. So you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracked. So, you talking about?
I said you must go out with your good sexy.
I ain't got no one.
Mama said they have a bad tea and
Don't worry about that. I'll delete that from the video. I'm recording it as we speak. I am eating.
This is not going to make you fat.
I know it ain't gonna make you fat. It does got some spice to it.
What?
Yeah.
This spicy?
Yeah, it's got spice in it.
Just one piece. Just one piece. It's not too spicy, Luke.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Crazy. It's busy out here tonight.
Huh?
Busy tonight.
Oh, really?
I'm
Yeah.
seeing the popcorn.
Last night was like quiet because it's raining.
Yeah, I seen that.
Hold on. Hey guys, see who's here today?
Cooking with Luke and Friends. Cooking with Luke and Friends.
So, see, we met in Japan. How long? 2, 3 years?
3 years.
And I just met him again. And you know, he made me mad. He made me mad. And he's good. He's good. I made him mad. You know, he's really good. He's always made me mad. I don't know why.
I believe it. I work longer too when Friday and Saturday hit, right? Isn't that the busiest?
That was right there to me.
What time does the place close?
11:30.
On weekends too? On weekends?
Yeah.
Shit, y'all should stay open, like at least
It depends. Sometimes if we have customers, we open at 2 at night.
yeah, cause I figure like the club is right outside Walking Street. People come over here and they'd be like, hey, let me go over here and get me something to eat. And food ain't bad. Food is good. So I mean, I think it's pretty amazing. We got the sweet and spicy stuff going on here. Got the veggie rolls, right? You got the fish. So we got all this stuff right here and more. So some great food here. This is the real food. You know, it's healthy. It's not gonna mess up your stomach like them oysters I had. And I mean, really amazing.
Don't tell me that you got 2 classes. That's what I'm telling you. Can you listen to the music too?
Yeah, this records. We was like, when we gonna record? I said, we're recording now. Don't worry, I gotta edit it.
You know what? And that dude, he had exactly the same sunglasses, but he have like a speaker on.
Oh man, see, I don't need no speaker.
Yeah, and he said he gave it to me, and he tell me that like, come check this out. I said, oh yes, bigger on your person. He said yeah. And I said, where you buy it? He said, I buy it from the United States. I said, that's cool.
Got these on Amazon. I mean, you can't see anything. Only thing you can see the little green light. I take that to the side so I can.
How much is it?
I think $49.
Like he said, the one that he buy said $200.
Yeah, because it's doing. Actually, you probably got like an Apple glasses. These are just like regular recording glasses. Like I could change out the lenses from shades to glasses. But the only thing is, like this light here is good.
It didn't say you can record it, but it's like
Oh, they're like Bluetooth
they
glasses.
have like Bluetooth glasses.
The mine's is recording like as we talk, and then I change out the power cell from right here.
That's
So,
cool.
yeah. That's how I'm catching all the footage out here, so I can be like, let me record this.
Why don't you come to my shop? I can give you a massage. I don't need no massage. What you talking about? I said, where'd you work at? Like a hair salon?
Massage.
Yeah, and I was like, no, I'm good.
What kind of massage?
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking the same thing. I'm like, no, I'm good. I'm
And the
good.
Arab people like that.
Yeah, I see that all the time in Bahrain.
Yeah, Bahrain, Dubai, they have many ladyboards.
Yeah.
But they dress like women.
Yeah, oh
But they
man.
have to hide because it's illegal for them to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like man,
If they get caught,
that shit
they
crazy.
bust them.
Yeah.
And
It's crazy.
that's what I heard about. They see if they get caught
Mhm.
with their positive.
Yeah, that's true.
They're going to wear that every single day.
Oh wow,
Yeah, it's not only one people rape, it's more than
crazy.
one.
Yeah, that shit was fucking crazy.
So that's why especially the lady boy. But in Bahrain, if they caught you, that you come there, go there, working at a hospital. You know, many
They
people
get your ass out of there. Yeah,
No,
I thought they fly you out.
they take you to the police station.
Yeah, no
They
saying.
beat you up, and then they take you to
The
the
airport.
ocean and throw them.
Oh, I didn't know about all that.
It's the truth.
Oh,
Because
for
they-
homosexuality, because
yeah,
yes, it goes against the
because they're
Muslim
not
code.
allowed.
Yeah,
They're not allowed there.
it's a
And if
Muslim
they get
country.
pregnant,
Yeah, because I know that they were telling me that some of the Thai girls a few years ago when they had that whole situation that took place on the base. Let me get her attention. I'm gonna get me some water. Let me get some water.
where's the water?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get a bottle of water.
Why you take your shoes off?
My feet hurt. They do.
Why you feeling?
I was jump roping. I jump rope, workout. I don't care. Anyway, back on the story. They ship them out where they get caught, and they fly them out back here. 'Cause it's still big out there in Bahrain.
They do, but before they fly you out, they do like shit to you.
I don't know. I mean, you know
Nobody
more than
know
I
the
do.
truth. Nobody know the truth. Only the person who gets caught.
So you know someone got caught and came back
That's
to Thailand.
impossible.
And what they do to them?
They rape them.
The women? Oh shit. That's crazy.
And if they get pregnant, they don't care about raise the guy, but they stand on the guy's side. But they say it's a woman fault, and they put the woman in jail.
We don't talk about like if they doing prostitution. You're saying
Yeah.
they can get caught prostitute. Okay.
They do rape them.
Oh,
because
wow.
They say they don't rape.
I believe that. I do believe it.
They do.
But the thing that tripped me out though is the Saudis will fly in, or drive in, across the border. And I remember staying in a hotel and I seen a girl look like she was scared for her life, like looking at me like,
crying and shit. What the fuck? I'm like,
Yeah.
and the elevator
They
was
beat
closed.
them, they beat them, and then they rape them. And they cannot say anything. If they had to say something,
Yep. I seen it where the girls will say, I gave this guy some money to take care of my visa, and he run off with the money too. The visa money for they got to renew their visa, and they be hot. They're mad right now because the thing is, the ships ain't coming in there anymore because everything's changed. It's not like it was 4 or 5 years ago where you had all the Navy ships come in. They don't do that no more. It's, war's over with. All that shit's going to Russia. And now that's dried up right there. So then you gotta wait the weekend for the Saudis to come in, and you're not gonna get all the Saudis. Because some of them, and the remnants of the Americans and the other nations, and of course the Indians. But if they got the money, if they have the money, they don't. You got Americans, and then you got the GCC people, like people flying in from Dubai, people coming from Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. They're the ones gonna be able to get that money what they need. Cause they be like, I need 40 BD, I need 80 BD. I'm like, you need that fucking much money? Unless the person like, I got the money still, I don't care. I seen some shit in Dubai too. That was nasty. I ain't see it in person. I seen it on Twitter. I won't mention that at the table. It was just like, you go over there and say, well, I'm like Instagram. You heard of Instagram, of course.
So guys, I hope that you enjoy the content that I've given you. And if you do, please guys, please, I need your help. I need you to go ahead and subscribe and give me thumbs up. It all helps. YouTube looks at everything that you do, especially when you give me thumbs up for my content. Now there's gonna be more videos. We're at our second half again, guys. Our second half, I have 15 more videos that I basically gonna have to do. And Thailand's not over with. Now they may be like, hey, where's the action at? The second half's gonna have a lot more action than what you're seeing. It's gonna have a lot more commentary too, because there's a lot of things that I did that I didn't talk about while I was on the street. So that's what I'm preparing for you guys. And oh guys, by the way, this is called Cooking with Luke and Friends. Luke and Friends, I have a cookbook. You just look right over here. There's a cookbook right here. You go here, check out the cookbook. It's great, the greatest meals that you could probably possibly think of as far as your restaurants, like your Chick-fil-A's, your McDonald's, your TGI Fridays. I break those down and I show you exactly how to make those meals at your home. So guys, again, I thank you. Don't forget to check me out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification and give me those likes, guys. If you want to see something else, just go ahead and comment down below. If you say, hey Luke, I like this or I don't like this, I take that feedback and I try to get you what you want, okay? All right, guys. I see you on the other side. Take care.